In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can install Farlight 84 on your Android. It's very quick and easy, so let's just get straight into it. First of all, open up the Google Play Store. Okay, once you're on the Google Play Store, you want to just hit the top search button there where it says search apps, and then you want to type Farlight 84. It should pop up there. So if you just type Farlight 84, it should show up, and then you just want to tap on it, and as you can see it says install. So to install this game onto your Android device, all you have to do is hit install, and that will say pending for a moment, and then I'll just select this is quite a big game. You can see it's 1.1 gigabytes, so make sure you're on a Wi-Fi connection. I don't have Wi-Fi available right now, so I'll just hit now and then cancel it once it starts. But if it says pending for a moment, you just need to wait, and then the download will begin. You can see it's now 1%. When it gets to 100%, that play button will be in green, and then you can go ahead and play the game. And that's how you install the game. Very easy. I'll just cancel this quick to not use up all my data, but you just want to make sure that you hit that install button, make sure you're on a Wi-Fi connection, and wait for the download to finish, and then hit play. So if this helped you out, drop a like onto this video, and I'll see you in the next one.